At midnight, the marionette's eyes snapped open. Anna's hands jerked upward, invisible strings tightening around her wrists. She tried to scream, but her jaw clenched shut, mimicking the painted smile on her puppet's face. In the moonlit attic, she watched helplessly through her own eyes as her body danced, limbs contorting in unnatural angles, compelled by a will that was not her own. The marionette twitched its wooden fingers, and Anna's body obeyed. As dawn crept in, Anna realized the truth. She was now the puppet and the doll, her master, forever.